I'm John. Today we've got a big batch of mead that's ready for barrel aging. The problem is we have a barrel that isn't. In this short video we're going to show you how to make your barrel watertight so you can age your brewing. Barrels don't start watertight. So if we were to put our mead in here, it would just leak out like a sieve. And it would spill onto the floor and all that wasted effort. In order for it to be watertight, the wood has to swell. We're going to use a mix of hot and cold water to swell up the wood so that it presses together and becomes watertight. So this barrel in particular is an American oak that's been used by one of the local vineyards here to make Merlot. We're hoping to impart a lot of that red wine flavor and some more tannins from this barrel. Alright, let's haul this thing outside.
Start lifting.
Alright!
Okay, I'll help you.
Barrel squats. Okay, come on. We brought everything outside. A job like this often gets really messy, so this is the best place for us to clean up. What we're going to be working with today is a propane stove. You can get these for outdoor cookouts, tailgates. We're going to be heating up our water, which we got right out of the tap, brought it here. For the cold water, we're going to use the garden hose. We're going to be putting all the hot water on the outside and the cold water on the inside. Although the hot water makes the barrel swell faster, it has a greater chance of leaching the flavors that we want on the inside of this barrel. And that's why we're doing it. I can tell you from experience, I have used hot water on the inside of barrels and there was still a lot of flavor left. But we really like this barrel, so we're treating it very special. So yes, you can use hot water on both the inside and the outside, and it will be a faster process. Let's light up the propane cooker. With a setup like this, we'll boil water in no time. Let's get to filling up the inside, and we'll show you how much this thing's gonna leak. Okay, safety first. Aluminum transfers heat very efficiently, so these handles are really hot. But the good thing is that it makes the water boil extra quick. All right, so we're gonna be pouring this on the outside of the barrel. We're gonna be trying to get all the staves covered, and then we're gonna be doing the heads also. Ideally, with a smaller barrel, you would want to stand it upright and pour the steaming water all over the head and letting it sit and soak there. But with this humongous barrel, we're doing our best to get everything covered. This last hot soak we're going to be pouring over towels, and that'll help keep the moisture, and it should be ready by morning. Hot towels, sir? We should put the towels in the hot water. Let's put the towels in the hot water.
It's finally overflowed.
It's finally full. All right. Just so nothing gets in there. All right, see you in the morning.
Good night.
Good night. Notte buona, somne short. All right, so it's actually been 24 hours since we filled up this barrel. We did check it in the morning before we had to go out the door, and it was ready, so that would be only about 12 hours soaking. Gives you a good time, but here we go, 24 hours after our initial fill up. Here's our barrel, and guess what? No leaks. Our combination of hot and cold water did the trick. And we did a full search, top to bottom, head to head, stave to stave. Everywhere you look, it's watertight. We're going to forgo sanitizing the barrel because we're going to be introducing nearly 20% ABV mead into this barrel, and so nothing should be able to survive in that environment. Okay, now the fun part, and the reason we did it outside. It's time to empty this so we could fill it back up. It was a bit heavy, so we siphoned off some of the water. I got my extra tufts on. Here we go. All right, I hope this provided some insights for you. Good luck prepping your barrel for barrel aging. This is gonna be heavier.
The mead that we aged in the Merlot barrel is a dry tri-berry mead. It's at 18%, and it has blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. What'd you do, John?
Double corked. Rookie mistake.
It's impressive. The barrel gave it an incredible Merlot flavor and strong tannins from the oak. I love how our closed casket edition of our Berry Mead Alive turned out this year.
Would you like a hot towel, barrel? your cooperage?